In this video, we will show you how to configure source scores or data quality scores in your SigParser account. SigParser references multiple data sources to gather contact and company information, and each source has a score that determines the quality of the data. Higher source scores indicate a higher level of data quality. SigParser analyzes and compares scores for these multiple sources to determine the most accurate contact and company information to add and update. Source scores have default settings in SigParser, but you can customize source scores for these various data sources. For best results when configuring source scores, please schedule a help session. To configure a source score, log into your SigParser account and go to Settings, Admin Settings, Source Scores. You will see default source scores configured. Select a source from the list to edit the scoring. Select a score and how long the score is valid. Once configured, select Save. To add a custom source score to your SigParser account, go to Settings, Admin Settings, Source Scores, and then select Add. Select the source type. These are the various sources that SigParser can reference for contact and company data. Note, connectors refer to third-party data sources that SigParser uses to gather contact and company information. These sources have high accuracy. Next, select the record type. You can specify company or contact-specific data or all data from that source type. Then, select field name. You can specify fields under that record type or all fields from that record type. Then, set a score. Highly dependable sources should have a score of 50 or higher. Then, select how long the score is valid. Once expired, this score can be overwritten by other sources with more accurate data. When you are done configuring your source score, click Save. To view contact and company record updates, go to Settings, Updates, and select which records you'd like to view. You can see when and how a record was updated, and select the status for more info. You can also select an individual record and see any updates under the Details section of that record profile.